to a midnight episode of Oops, I forgot about my starter. I'm going to make some flatbread. We're gonna put 300 grams of starter in the bowl. This is a thicker starter. I started feeding my starter with more flour than water to get it a little bit thicker, and I'm actually really liking it. I'm gonna mill 200 grams of flour right into the bowl. So I zero out my scale. Whoop, 6 grams, that looks good. I did 10 grams last time. I'm gonna do 20 this time. I added 50 grams of water. Mix it up. This flour here for the board. Okay. Just take a piece of my dough, flatten it out like this. Okay. Just by hand. People say, how big do you make them? As big as my pan, usually. Okay. This dough, so nice. Okay. They're gonna puff up in the pan. So I just lightly flour them, press them out. This is it. Nothing special. Just like that. You could flatten these out and make tortillas. That would be really good too. Okay, this is it. And then we're gonna put them in our skillet and cook them. This one I rolled extra thin, almost like a tortilla. Ooh, it's puffing up. Oh, it looks so pretty. Here we have some bigger bubbles. I let it sit for a little longer. Got a little darker on the bottom. I love when my tortillas get these little dark spots on them. Yeah, that looks good.